Hi, y'all. Today I'm making a house at Place Bloxburg. First, I need to make the layout so y'all can watch. This took a bit to make. This took so long, lol, that's why it's all sped up. I'ma change the grass texture. Okay, I think I almost have the layout. Okay, I have the layout. I'm going to do a little bit of the exterior now. I'm going to do some windows, the door, some pillars, and some of the entrance. Time for the inside. Now, to do the floor. Time to color the floor. I'm doing the living room now. I want to add some pillars now. Now to color. Now the bedroom. Now for pillows. Now to color the floor. Then, decorating. Now, to color and make the kitchen. Now, to color the kitchen and redo the stairs, lol. This took a bit. Okay, now for upstairs. Just gonna color real quick. Time for the second bedroom. Now, to color and decorate. Then the bathroom. I'm making a shower with a basic shape. Now, for decorating. I'm going to add more things upstairs, then the lighting and roof. I'm adding lights now. Time for the roof. Time for exterior.